About climate change adaptation and mitigation measures at the national and the community level in the context of Afghanistan. Let me get you some basic facts. Afghanistan is a landlocked country, and then about 80% of the population are living in rural areas, and about 90% of the land mass is covered by mountains. So the two types of disasters are happening here. One is the flash floods. The second thing is the drought, which is happening very frequently. So because of the climate change, what's going to happen? The flash floods and also the landslides, the frequency and intensity is going to increase. And also in terms of drought, the period of drought is going to expand, and then the severity of the drought is going to increase. So taking this into consideration, what are the national level mitigation and also the adaptation measures which you can think of in Afghanistan context? At the national level, cities are more polluting, as already we know, and then there are five major cities here. The mass transit system can be thought of because it will reduce the number of vehicles in the road. So that is one thing that can be done at the national level in terms of mitigation. And then second-hand vehicles are so many, and then there is regulations already there. So we have to think about the strict following and enforcement of this regulation at the national level. And in terms of adaptation, there are more investment required in the adaptive research trials for the finding the drought-tolerant varieties. That is one thing that can be done. Investment in the irrigation structures to move away from the rain-fed agriculture to irrigation agriculture. This is one thing that at national level has to be thought of in terms of adaptation measures, and also investment on the reforestation on the hill slopes is also another thing. And at the community level, there are many things that can be done for mitigation measures, like planting of trees, a community plantation and community social forestation can be thought of. And then community level, these are the and moving and in terms of adaptation, moving away from the annual crops to the perennial crops can be done. Can be thought of as adaptation measures. And also social water management is already we have doing a little bit of thing we are successful. So this can be replicated in other places so that they can save the water and use it effectively. This is one thing. And other than that, at the community level mitigation measures, one important thing that I will suggest is to emission trading. Emission trading can bring the income, and also because there is a possibility of perennial crops like tree crops, nuts and fruits can be done. So this also can be done at the community level. These are the things that I think at the Afghanistan level, at the national and the community level can be done. Thank you.